Everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be learning how can we create serial number in a series. So what I'll do is, first of all, in this Excel sheet I have created a column which is serial number. So we will start in this Excel sheet. So first of all, what I'll do is I'll type 1 and press enter. Then what I'll do is I'll uh, click on this plus sign in the corner bottom down, and what I'll do is double click. So as you can see, there is 1111 coming all over here. So what I'll do is I'll click on this drop down which is coming in the bottom, and I'll do fill series. So it will convert it into a series 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And another way of doing is I can do by doing this. I can write 1, enter 2, and then I'll select all these and then drag till bottom. So it will create my serial number. And another way is I can double click here also, like this. While selecting this, I can double click in the plus sign at the corner, so it will do the fill series for me. So that's a quick wrap up how can we create a series in a Excel workbook. So take care, bye bye.